next, we have.
Today.
Not today. Today.
I don't know why, Ruffians, why you like this that much.
Today. Oh,
Why?
do you want me to do? Wait, a today canon.
Today, what's a today canon?
Today canon.
Today canon.
Today canon. Would you like a today canon?
I'm scared. What's a today canon?
Oh, it's like the bunny cannon, but today. Yes. Yes.
I'm nervous.
Okay, here we go. Today! 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 Today!
It's just normal.
It's like an alarm.
I don't know. It's just played. But
Just clean.
I'm glad, Ruffians. I'm glad that maybe it brought you a bit of energy and, maybe it'll help you not procrastinate. Right.
But sometimes you need to. It's okay.
Sometimes it's okay to procrastinate. Instead of calling it procrastination because then you just feel bad, just be like, I'm taking a break.
Exactly.
Right?
And actually make it good for you.
I wondered though, Moko-chan, can I copy you and make it actually sound like you?
Today?
Today! Today! No. I can't.
No, it's not working.
I can't. I tried though.
You attempted.
I attempted it.
Good try.
But yeah.
Put it.